Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. As you can see, I'm in SE ranking. So today I want to make a video to show you how to add a project. Why would you want to do this in SE ranking? Well, this is a great way for you to find out lots of information about a website that you own, or maybe a website you are helping someone else to manage. It will give you lots of information about how your website is ranking in the search engines and how it compares with the competition. It will also actually give you like a SEO audit, so it helps you know things that you can improve on your website, so it will rank higher hopefully, and it will even help you make a marketing plan for your website, which again is very helpful in my opinion. Before I start showing you how to add a project, I'll say that I'll leave my affiliate link in the description. So if you're interested in SE ranking after watching this video, you can use that link for you to get a 14-day free trial of SE ranking. So I'm going to show you now very quickly how to create your first project. Now, right off the bat, I have to say I really like the wizard that they have that will help you easily add your project. It will basically walk you through everything, and it's got a lot of really helpful tooltips. So if there's anything here that you don't understand what it's for, you can hover over the tooltip and it will explain it in detail. So yeah, that's really good. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to basically add this website, which is called Hands Off Publishing, but I do not own this website. It's just for the purposes of this video. So you add in the URL of your website that you want to add to the project. Then I'm just going to type in Hands Off Publishing because that will be the label that is used in the software. You can add a group, which is really handy if you own loads of websites. You can basically add various folders and group together your websites. Maybe you could have like a group for e-commerce websites and a group for blogs, or if you are managing lots of websites for various clients, then you could have a different folder or group for each of your clients. So yeah, that's really helpful. Then you can choose your search range so that it basically either looks at the top 100 or 200. In the SERPs, you can choose a website audit, but be aware that this will impact any of the limits on your account. It depends on the plan that you signed up for at the beginning for SE ranking as to how many of these that you can run every month. So for me, I am gonna go for the website audit. I'm gonna go for the weekly report, which is really handy. It updates you every week. You can then say that it's going to be rechecked every Monday, but obviously you can choose whatever works best for you. You can even choose the color that this project is associated with in your dashboard, which is handy. Then we go to next. Now we need to add the keywords. Now you can import them using either Google Analytics or from a spreadsheet file, which is handy. Or you can ask it to choose or to suggest some of the keywords that it already works out that your website is ranking for. Unfortunately, this website is not ranking for a lot. I'm just going to add that one anyway. Then we're going to go to next. Then it's a matter of adding in the search engines that you would like your keywords tracked against. So basically, this is wherever most of your audience is from or where the website is based. So I know that this website is a UK website. So I am basically adding the Google UK search engine, and I will also add the Google mobile. Now, as you can see, for each of these, you can choose an exact location if you want. You can also choose the interface language. So that would be very, very handy if this was like a local business, right? So there you go. Then you add this. I would highly recommend that you do at least have the Google and the Google mobile. They do have other options, but that would be the main ones that I would go for personally. Okay, then we go to next. And you probably saw that when I was adding the search engines, it basically allowed me to add up to 5 for each of the projects. That again is based on the plan that you have signed up for in SE ranking. Then you can add the competition, and again I can add up to 10 here, but that will depend on the plan that you've signed up for. So you could work out the competition yourself. Now I would actually be able to do this in SE ranking. So I would go here and I would type in Hands Off Publishing. That's obviously the website that I am adding to the project right now. And you would search here and you would see that this website has got a domain trust rating of 9. That's basically their version of the domain authority. So then I would search here more. You can have a look down here at the bottom at all of the organic competition, and I would find some here that have either an equal or a lower domain trust, because then you know that things that they are ranking for that you can also easily rank for. And when you've found them, I would then basically copy and paste them into here. The easier way is to do the suggest option. The only thing about that is it doesn't say what the domain trust is of these, so it might be a little bit hard for you to, I would personally prefer the other way that I showed you, because it's very important that you only have the competition that is very relevant for your website, that you have a realistic chance of outranking, right? Anyway, so when you've added any of the competition, you go to next, and then you then have the final step of basically connecting your Google Analytics and the Google search. I would highly recommend this because it will really give you a lot of awesome information if you do that. I can't really do that because I don't own this website, so I'm just going to go to finish. Now, in this video, I don't want to actually show you all of the things here, but you can see that I have successfully added Hands Off Publishing as a project. If I was to go into the projects tab here, you can see it's here at the bottom. You can also easily choose it on the tab on the left hand side, and you can obviously automatically enter any of this information here, so that's really easy. And you can see there's a lot of information that it will help you to gather from backlinks. It will give you a website audit, like I said earlier, which is awesome. It will give you a lot of really good tips on how to improve the SEO of your website. I also really like this idea of having a marketing plan, and it's actually really detailed and it has a lot of information and it explains everything really well. I really like this. But yeah, you can basically see that this will give you a lot of really awesome information about your project. So like I said at the start, this is why I really like using it in SE ranking. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it helped. I am planning on making more videos on SE ranking because, like I said, I've been using it a while now, and I want to share some of the main things that I use it for in my online business. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.